When you're deep in negative emotion, you need to be positive to get out of there. Otherwise, you stay in deep and negative state. Here, I would present you the silver method that will help you to be positive during negative. Hey guys, I'm Koji. I'm here to tell you something that might help your life. And now it seems impossible to be positive when you are be in negative, deep in negative state. And you might think if something makes you happy, if that turns out in that way, and you could be positive. If that person that does something you expect, maybe you could be positive. As long as you are attached to the external thing, it's almost impossible for you to be positive in your intention. It's a simple math. If you are in negative emotion, your mental score is negative score. And to make it positive, you need to add positive number to make it positive, right? And let's say you are now negative 100 because you are feeling so negative. So negative 100, to make it positive, you need to add a positive number more than 100. So if you add 100 and you get back to neutral, and to be positive, you need to be add one more or 10 more or 100 more to be positive. That exactly happens to your mental, actual mental. And it might sound impossible. It might sound impossible to add a positive when you are in negative. But here is the thing. You need to being before becoming. You know what I mean? You need to be being before you actually becoming. So that means you need to be positive before you become positive. It, it might sound more difficult. So here is the silver method that will make it makes it possible for you. Okay? Silver method is the practical steps that induce positive feeling within wherever you are in negative. So here they are. First one is S. First one S is smile. A literally smile. It's a hard switch to turn on positive circuits in your brain. So when you turn it on, your emotion automatically changes since brain is designed to release positive chemical when it recognizes smile. So do it right now. You automatically feel better. This is a hard switch. Next one I is introspection. Introspection. It's a virtual handle to for you to steer your emotion and detach from external things and focus on what you have within is a powerful trick to get your control back to yourself. If you attach to something else, you're really literally controlled by the external things. So you want to get back the control to yourself. When you are attached to something you don't have control, and you're literally controlled by something outside, so you want to get control back in order to steer your emotion. So introspection, to focus on yourself, focus on what you have. That is the second step. I, introspection. The next one, L, is love. Literally love. It's a fuel. It's a fuel to move toward where you want to be. So from a negative to positive, you want to go to the positive side. You need a fuel, and that is love. And it's prepare. it's fuel to prepare from where you are now to where you want to go, and you need to heal yourself first. Yes, you need to heal yourself first, and you need your love the most. So love yourself first, and you might not be able to love yourself right now, um, but you gotta love yourself. Even if you don't like yourself right now, say I love you to yourself. It literally say it. Love yourself. I love you to yourself. And even if it's a lie to you right now, say it. Say it no matter what. And love everything of you. And weakness, dirty part, and vulnerability, and everything. E- Everything. I love you. No matter how weak you are, I love you. Say it. No matter what, I love you as you are. And it will change. It will charge the fuel. And you gotta heal yourself. And next one is B, is visualization. And it's a direction and it's a GPS. For example, you gotta set the target. You gotta set the point you want to go. And of course, we know you know where you want to be. You want to be positive. But how to set the GPS is this. You want to set to positive, and there are several versions of you that are waiting for you to become. And they want to see you, and they want to feel how they feel. They are greater version of you, and various version of you I think you can imagine. And you pick one, and you, you visualize it. Visualize how the greater version of you act like, behave like, and make some attitude like, and smiling, and saying a very good thing, or whatever the thing might be. You gotta visualize the greater version of you, and feel how they feel, how the person feel it, visualize and feel it. And if you don't have a clear image, pick someone you like, pick someone famous person that you like, and visualize it as if you are the person, and feel how it feels. Okay, the next one is E, is engage. It's to start moving, actually moving. Okay, for through the previous steps, you you start being, okay, before actually become. You being through the previous steps, so now actually you start to become, and that is engage. And think what you need to become, the version of you. That means the version of you, greater version of you, you visualize it. Okay, and think what you need to be the actual person. Maybe more practice, maybe more healthy routine, more, maybe more positive attitude, and just imagine and think what you need to be, get closer to the person, and take action on what you think you need. And if you don't have ideas what you need, and just do workout. Every greater version of you has a healthy body. It's mandatory for you to do workout daily. So if you don't have a clear image of what you have to do workout, do daily exercise. Okay, that is E, engage. The next one, R, is reinforce. It's acceleration. Through these steps, previously talked about. Your mental behavior reinforces itself toward a positive direction. The GPS you set to the target, your mental part automatically reinforces through the previous steps to the direction. Okay? And it happens naturally and it works like a tailwind. So you proceed in positive direction, you set that, and you start to make an action, engaging action, and it all works like a tailwind to push you push you back towards the goal. So that's reinforced. And this whole steps, I called it the silver method. With this silver method, you will be positive before becoming positive. That is what I want to say today. And and you will be positive within negative with this method, silver method. You want to apply it right now if you are in negative state. And I think it helps you get out of negative. You got to do it consistently, not just one day, not just one time. You got to do it every day, every single time you feel negative. You go back to step one and do the silver method. And one day you notice you're already in a positive state. You get out of negative, and that is how you become positive within negative. Seems impossible, but it's actually possible. And here's why, and here's method, silver method for you. Thank you for listening, and I love you guys, and I hope it helps you a bit. And I see better habits, better life, and I see you in the next episode. Peace.